In this video we will demonstrate pulley groove style programming using the turning option available in the menu. As you can see from the screenshot, the user can now select either a grooving or turning type tool path. In grooving, the tool will use a plunging motion to remove material and then use a profiling type motion to semi-finish and or finish the shape. This motion will proceed from the rough side, along the contour to the center of the groove. Then from left side along the contour to the center of the groove. In turning, the tool will use an x-axis depth of cut and a turning motion to remove material, and then a one complete turning type motion to semi-finish and or finish the shape starting from the right side and proceeding along the contour to the left side. This menu allows for different angles at the ends of the groove, which gives the user a lot of flexibility in how the menu can be used in a variety of situations. Here we will complete the inputs for the form based on the sample part print you can download and view from the link. We will select both roughing and finishing for the same tool for brevity of the video. Now that the inputs are complete, let's view the tool path in KipwareT. Now let's load a DXF image of the part and plot the tool path over the DXF. Now let's set up a tool to display during the tool path plot over the DXF. This new menu design with now both grooving and turning options has quite a bit of flexibility and allows for use in a variety of undercutting and grooving situations.